श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्या स्मरति सर्वार्थानाम् उपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्याः स्युतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा वहन्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानवाण्महं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मन्त्र्यामिनं। दौर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमभिषुकमुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभाभा समाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कुजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानाथं को न याति परां गतिं। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे पराचेतसमकल्मषं। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजं अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं। कवीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करमुल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोः सलिलं सलिलं। यः शोकवन्यं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयम् अधिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं। मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनि पुनादि भुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे। वेद प्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना तदुपगत समास संधियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशिरसश्च वदं निशामयद्वं मा निषाद प्रतिष्ठान्त्वम् आगमः शाश्वती समाह यत्क्रौञ्च मिथुनादेकमवधीः काममोहितम् आपदामभर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरुद्रमतले मे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम्। अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। वामे भूमिसुता हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरदनुवनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः पाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां मृजितपतरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्याः प्रियविरहर्षारोपित भ्रूविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिः बद्धसेतुः कलदवदहनः कौसलेन्द्रोऽवतान्ना जानकीकान्तस्मरणं आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। On the one side, Mother Kausalya alternatively cries, commands and blackmails. Cries saying, how will I live without you? Commands, I am the mother, I have the authority to issue orders too, therefore by my order you shall stay here and not go to the forest, serve me instead. And threatens by saying, if you go then I shall fast unto death and the sin of killing your mother shall fall upon your head, therefore do not incur such a sin. On the one side, on the one hand, Kausalya, on the other, Lakshmana. And Lakshmana telling him, why should we fear? What is there for us to fear? Father is going through a second childhood. He is obviously senile. He is listening to the words of a woman his wife that is dear to him, that he is fond of, and therefore he is not thinking correctly. Therefore we need not fear. I can single-handedly win Ayodhya for you if you do not wish to wage a war. அப்படின்னு ரெண்டு பக்கம் இருக்க, Rama is caught in the middle. By simply instigating Lakshmana, Rama can stand still, keep quiet, incur no blame whatsoever. If any blame, then Lakshmana will have to bear it, and nobody will blame Lakshmana because they will all say it is out of the overabundance of love for his brother that he did it. And if Rama should rebel against Dasharatha, then it is selfish. It can be seen as an act of selfishness. He wants the throne, therefore he is willing to rebel against the father. Lakshmana does not seek the throne for himself. Adanal, if Lakshmana should actually put into action what he has been saying, his words, it may seem as an actually acceptable option. If Lakshmana stands there, actually nobody will fight with him. It is not that he needs to depopulate Ayodhya or any of those things. Everybody will immediately calm down because they know his prowess also. Rama and Lakshmana's prowess have already been tried and tested. They both went into the forest. They vanquished Rakshasas and so on. It's only Bharata and Shatrughna that we have not heard anything about so far. Adanal, people know about Lakshmana's strength, therefore it is actually an easy recourse. On the other hand, the mother is putting pressure. In the pressure lada, we see how Rama is going to come out as tempered, burnished gold. Enna vazhinna? What is the method out? Nasti shakti piturvakyam atikramitu mama. அழகான வாக்கியம் இது, ராமருடைய வாக்கியம். Nasti shaktihi. It is not that I am planning to read all the 24,000 verses of Srimad Ramayanam. Anna, some of these words are very potent. Some of these verses they are not merely a verse, it is an entire philosophy. Nasti shakti piturvakyam samatikramitum mama prasadaye tvam shirasa gantum icchamyaham vanam. When you are faced with pressure, what should you do? Should you give in? Abdina? You should not give in. You should not compromise on your values. Then what should you do? Surrender. Surrender. How do you surrender without giving in your values? That we have to learn from Rama. Rama says, Na asti shakti mama. I do not have the shakti. I do not have the strength to transgress the order of the father. And I am not capable. I can't. I'm weak. I don't have any strength. I have no strength. Rama children, I do not have any strength. Can anybody believe this? Rama is saying he doesn't have strength. Strength for what? I can conquer Asura, Rakshasas, but I cannot transgress the words of my father. In the Vishayathila, I do not have strength. Adana enna pannanumna? Prasadaye tvam shirasa. I'm bowing my head in front of you. Amma, please be merciful upon me. Please give your grace. I beseech you, allow me to go to the forest. Gantum icchamyaham vanam. அவ்வளவுதான், ரொம்ப ஈஸியா போயிடுச்சு. என்ன நீ அழுவியா, நான் அதுக்கு மேல நான் அழறேன், என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? You are crying, I will cry more than you. என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? ஐயோ அம்மா, what will I do without you? அப்படின்னா, அம்மா what will I do without going to the forest? நான் அழறேன். சரண்டர், சரணாகதி பண்ணிடுமா? யார் பண்ண முடியும்? who can do this kind of சரணாகதி? one without ego can do the சரணாகதி. அகங்காரம் இருந்தா பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால தான் philosophy-னு சொன்னேன். If ahankara is there, then we will try to defend our actions, we will try to justify our action, we will try to say all kinds of things. அதெல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் என்ன முடியும்? என்ன முடியல, என்ன பண்றது? நீ சொல்றதெல்லாம் நியாயம் தான். What you are saying is right. If I have the strength in me, I will do it. I do not have the strength in me to oppose father's words. What do you want me to do? சொல்லுங்க. அதனால I am praying to you. அம்மா தயவு பண்ணுமா, அம்மா please be gracious to me, allow me to go to the forest. Kunjuswami Shalvaram, Bhagavan's very dear devotee, Adiyar. disciple என்னெல்லாம் சொல்லலாம். He learned it from Bhagavan. He learned it from Ramana Bhagavan தான். என்னதுன்னா, when somebody comes to argue with us or something, what should you do? Simply surrender. Surrender to them. Say, என்ன பண்ண சொல்றேன், என்ன பண்ண சொல்றேன், நான் என்ன பண்ணட்டும், I cannot do anything. Somebody once came to Kunjuswami, it seems, and started complaining about how there's so much of dharma is declining and lawlessness is everywhere and forcible conversion, religious conversions is happening. All these different kinds of issues they started telling Kunjuswami. Kunjuswami எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு சொன்னாராம், see law எல்லாம் police and government is there to look after all of that. Dharma அதெல்லாம் அதுக்கு பெரிய பெரிய மடாதிபதிஸ் are there, monks are there, sages and saints are there, leaders, spiritual leaders, gurus are all there to take care of all of that. Religious conversion அதுக்கும் appropriate people are there. என்ன பண்ண சொல்றேன், what do you want me to do, நான் தேவையான உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கேனே அப்படின்னு. What do you want me to do? Then what can that fellow do? He can't do anything. He can't say anything beyond this. Once somebody came, where did Kunjuswami learn this from? Guru everything you learn from your master. Guru one day somebody came and started arguing with Bhagavan, Ramana Bhagavan, Prisha, Shastra in Vedanta. Arguing in Vedanta church. Wanting to establish his supremacy, wanting to prove that he knew everything, that his point of view was right. Bhagavan patiently heard it for a while. Bhagavan said, what do you want me to do? Shall I give a letter to you in writing that you have defeated Ramana Maharshi? Will you be happy if I give that? No. It's simple. Andal சொல்றாத. Andal in Tripavai ஒரு பாசுரம், ரொம்ப அழகான பாசுரம். எல்லே இளங்கிளியே இன்னும் உறங்கிடியோ, சில்லன்றை மீர் நங்கை மீர் போதிருக்கின்றேன், வல்லே உன் கட்டளைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயெழுதும், வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானேதானாயிடுக, ஒல்லே நீ போதாய் உனக்கென்ன வேறுடைமை, எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தென்னிக்கொள், அதுவா வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாற்றானை மாற்றழிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோரெம்பாவாய். எல்லே இளங்கிளியே இன்னும் உறங்கிதியோ, சில்லன் அழிமீர் நங்கை மீர் போதருகின்றேன், வல்லே உன் கட்டளைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயர்தும், வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானே தானாயிடுக. அந்த ஹிருதயம் மாதிரி வருத்தத்துல திருப்பாவையிலேயே 15 என்னமோ 30 பாசுரம் தான் திருப்பாவை, 15th பாசுரம் இஸ் திஸ் பாசுரம். அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? பாதி வந்துடுத்து இல்லையா, half. 30ல 15 is half. நடு சென்டர், நடு சென்டர். அந்த நடு சென்டருக்குள்ள ஒரு நடு. ஏன்னா இது சென்டர், சென்டர்ல ஒரு நடு. எதுன்னா அந்த இந்த ஹோல் பாசுரம், எல்லே இளங்கிளியே இன்னும் உறங்கிலியோ, சில்லன்றையுமே நங்கை மீர் போதருகின்றேன், வல்லே உன் கட்டளைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயர்தும், வல்லீர்கள் நீங்களே நானே தான் ஆயிடுக, வல்லே நீ போதாய் உனக்கு என்ன வேண்டுமை, எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தன்னிக்கொள், வல்லானை கொன்றானை மாற்றானை மாற்றிக்க வல்லானை மாயனை பாடேலோர் எம்பாவாய். ஒரு ஹாஃப். இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு ஹாஃப். நடுவில் என்ன இருக்குன்னா நானே தான் ஆயிடுக இஸ் இந்த ஹாஃப். அப்போ என்டையர் திருப்பாவைக்கு சென்டர் இந்த பாசுரம், இந்த பாசுரம், திஸ் பாசுரம். இந்த பாசுரத்தினுடைய நடு நானே தான் ஆயிடுக. ஆக மொத்தம் நடு சென்டர் ஆயிடுத்தோ இல்லையோ. In Tamil, nadu means middle. Generally in India, in Tamil Nadu, when you want to say it's right in the center of something, you say nadu center la irukku appdi போகுது. நடு சென்டர், நடுனாலே சென்டர் தான். சென்டர் சென்டர் நடு சென்டர். அது எதுலேருந்து வந்து இதுலேருந்து வந்துதான் நமக்கு தெரியாது. மேபி இட் கேம் ஃப்ரம் ஆண்டாள்ஸ் பாசுரம் தான். இந்த நடு, இந்த சென்டர்ல ஒரு நடு. நானே தான் ஆயிடுக அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமா? நானே தான் ஆயிடுகனா there is an argument going on between Andal and one of the other girls that she has come to wake up. தீர்க்க நித்ரான்னு ஒரு பொண்ணு. தீர்க்க நித்ரா அப்படின்னா லாங் ஸ்லீப்பர்னு அர்த்தம். ஏன் தூங்குவோம், டீப் ஸ்லீப்பர், எழுந்துக்கவே மாட்டான். அவ்வளவுதான் பார்த்துருவா. தோற்றும் கும்பகர்ணனும் கூட்டத்தில் வாழ்விந்த கும்பகர்ணனும் தோற்றும் உனக்கே பெருந்துயில் தான் தந்தானோ அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறா ஆண்டாள். ஆண்டாள் சொல்றா, when Kumbhakarna, in Ramayana fame, Kumbhakarna when he died, he had a boon of sleeping long, maybe he bequeathed that boon to you அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறான். இப்படி தூங்குறியே நீ? இப்படியா ஒருத்தி தூங்குவா? அரைத்தெல்லத்தாரும் அறிந்தேலோரம் பாபா, எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், எழுந்துருடி. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு one of those girls, she is sleeping, Andal is standing outside trying to wake her up. எல்லே இளங்கிலியே இன்னும் ஒரு இங்குதியோ அப்படி. ஏண்டிமா, are you still sleeping? Are you still sleeping? அவ உள்ளேந்து வச்சு கத்தாத, ஏன் கத்தற? சில்லன்றை மீர் கத்தாதே, ஏன் கத்தற? வரேன் வரேன் கத்தாத. அதுக்கப்புறம் she argues from there. You come to wake me up, everybody come அப்படினு சொல்றா. அவ நேத்திக்கு என்ன சொன்னாலாம்? Yesterday it seems she said I will be the first அப்படினா. அவன் ஆண்டா சொன்ன நேத்திக்கு பெருசா சொன்னியடி வல்லே உன் கட்டரிகள் பண்டே உன் வாயருதி அப்படி. நேத்திக்கு பெருசா சொல்லிட்டு போனா yesterday when we finished our puja, yesterday said tomorrow I will come and wake you all up அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு பெருசா சவால் விட்டு போனா. இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தானா I am still coming and standing there. What happened? Big hero அப்படினா உடனே வலியர்கள் நீங்களே you are the people like that அப்படினா she retorted. உடனே ஆண்டாள் பார்த்தா நானே தான் ஆயிடுக. Okay, let it be me. She blamed Andal. She said yo anybody she evlo are you இது Andal said okay, let it be me. Now what can you do? What can you do? நடு சென்டர், திருப்பாவைக்கு நடு சென்டர் இது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா என்ன வாட் இஸ் த ஒரே ஒரு வார்த்தையில somebody asked ரமண பகவான், பகவானே in one word can all of your teachings be condensed now? கணேசன் நான் சொல்லுவது can all your teachings be condensed into one word அப்படின்னா பகவான் சொல்லுமா என்ன சொல்லும்? அடங்குதல். அடங்குதல். அடங்குதல்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? அப்படியே டு subside, to quieten down, to be nothing. நானே தான் ஆயிடுங்க. சரி நானே இருக்கட்டுமே. When somebody says something, we jump up and defend ourselves, we fight and we so on and so forth, we become very defensive, argue. All arguments can be put to an end when you say சரி okay, let it be my fault. அது எப்படி சொல்லணும்னா we go to say it in the right way. அங்கதான் problem. In a lot of people will say it. ஆமா எல்லாம் எந்த தப்பு தான், சந்தோஷமா எல்லாம் எந்த தப்பு தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா. விஸ்வாமித்ரா சொன்ன மாதிரி சுகீ பவ அப்படின்னு. The way Vishwamitra told Dasharatha, be happy with all your lying king, with all your friends and family, be happy அப்படின்னா. அப்புறம் என்னது ஹாப்பி? அந்த blessing தான் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. That blessing of Vishwamitra's word is now bearing fruit. I will not send my son, I will not send my son, I will not send my son சொன்னோலியோ. ஒரு மகாத்மா வந்து கேட்கிறேன் புள்ளி அனுப்ப மாட்டேங்கிற, கடைசியில பொண்டாட்டிக்காக புள்ளி அனுப்புறியடா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா? அது பெரிய பிரம்மரிஷி is coming and asking, please send your son with me, I will do good to him, I will bring welfare to him, send him with me. Maharishi is saying no, without my son I cannot live, I cannot send him. Now today a third wife is asking and no good is going to come because of that. She is not saying I will bring good to him. On the other hand, she wants to snatch away the good and give it to somebody else and send him to the forest, and the king has to send. தீர்க்கதரிசி that is why Vishwamitra says சுகி பவ, நல்ல சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும், பிள்ளைய கட்டிட்டு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. Be happy with all your family அப்படி. எங்க ஃபேமிலி எல்லாம் ஃபேமிலி பிச்சு போயிடுது. நோ ஃபேமிலி கடைசியில் இல்லையா? நோ ஃபேமிலி ஃபார் தசரதா. இன் தி எண்ட் when Dasharatha is suffering, son Rama has gone away, Lakshmana has gone away, Sita has gone away, Bharata is not yet there, Shatrugna is not yet there, Kaikeyi has been estranged, only Sumitra and Kausalya, and he is going to fall. கடைசியில் உத்தரமல். I'm jumping the gun here, but still a thought comes, so I'm sharing it here. என்ன அப்படின்னா Sumitra and Kausalya were both looked down upon by Dasharatha throughout his life, which we learn from Kausalya's words. இல்லையா? Kausalya herself was looked down, Sumitra கேட்கவே வேண்டாம். We do not need to ask about Sumitra. ஆனா what happened in the end அப்படின்னா, in the end they had to come and stand in front of, Dasharatha had to come ultimately and stand in front of those very two ladies whom he had spurned, he had not treated well. கடைசியில் அவட்ட தான் வந்து நிற்கிற மாதிரி எடுத்து இல்லையா? ஸோ ரெஸ்பெக்ட் எவ்ரிபடி, spurn nobody, because we do not know the turns and the twists of life. When we will be standing in front of who, we do not know. அதனால எல்லாரையும் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Show respect everybody. Shirdi Baba used to say, anybody who comes to you in your life has been sent by Hari. by Bhagavan. அதனால give them the respect due. Because we do not know. We may say, அப்படின்னு ஒரு திமிரில் சொல்லிடுவோம். We may, distance ourselves from somebody out of anger or out of or ego or so on. But in the end, we may have to go and stand in front of them. It could be our own children. Especially a lot of elders will do this. As people grow older, like Dasharatha, and people grow older, they become short on patience. They become short on patience. They become patient, but not patient. Vaisaga patient ara. They become patient to the doctor, but they do not have any patience. They lose patience, and as a result, they will sometimes behave angrily with their own children. When there's still strength in the body, they will do it. Then after some time, when the strength goes away, when they need their family around them, they will sit and cry. I drove them away. Now it is very important for all of us to realize this. Dasharatha, Ramayana is everything we have to learn from Ramayana. Dasharatha or opinion, we should never have any strong opinions at all. If there's anything I've learned from my own life, do not express very strong opinions about anything other than Shastra. Shastram paravaala, nammal opinion is not our opinion. Vedam, Shastra, Mahangalude vaak, adella nam opinion kadiyadu. Your own opinion, do not say anything. Do not have any such opinions. Do not be strong in any such opinions, because that itself will come and become the block for you. And in the end, Bhagavan, in order to remove that block, will make you eat a humble pie, and the very same thing that you opposed, you may have to accept. The very same thing that you rejected, you may have to embrace. Adala opinion vechikapadu. Be free from all opinion. Enna idu Bhagavad Sankalpam. Edha Bhagavan pandra. Whatever Bhagavan wants to do, let it be so. நானேதான் ஆயிடுக விஷாம்பர். நானேதான் ஆயிடுக. அந்த நானேதான் ஆயிடுக தான் சரணாகதிக்கு வித்து. The seed for Sharanagati, for the great fruit of Sharanagati, if you want to accomplish, the seed for it is this attitude. Okay, என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? நானேதான் ஆயிடுக அப்படிங்கிறது. அதனால இங்க Rama adopts that, and he says to Kausalya Amma, what can I do? Engda Shakti irka. Do you think you are saying all this as though I am free? You are saying all this as though I have the strength. Amma, don't go to the forest. If you go to the forest, you will incur the sin of killing me. Enak Shakti irka amma. Is it my choice? En Shakti நீ சொல்ற don't incur the sin அப்படிங்கற. And let me tell you a couple of stories. ரெண்டு ஸ்டோரி சொல்றேன் அப்படிங்கறது. ऋषिना च पितृवाक्यं कुर्वता व्रतचारिणा गौर्हता जानता धर्मं खंडुना विपश्चिता. खंडून ऋषि, खंडून ऋषि அவர் என்னத்த கண்டாரோ தெரியாது. கண்டூன் ரிஷி அவர் பேர். இந்த கண்டு என்ன பண்ணார் அப்படின்னா, ஒரு நாளைக்கு his father told him, in order to carry out the command of his father, although he was a righteous person, he was a dharmacharinaha, he was a knower of dharma, ella theriyum, but at the same time, because his father commanded, he killed a cow. Go hatya pannaram. Evlo periya thappu illaya? Imagine killing a cow. Analum he slaughtered a cow in the past, in obedience to the command of his father, even though he knew it was a sin. Enna appa sollirka pananum appdi he did that. Nambathliye kada nambo, in our own family there is a story. Enna family appdi enna story na, Sagaraputras, 60,000 sons of Sagara went and met a terrible death. Yen appdina, because they fulfilled the command of their father. Even though they met such a terrible death, but still they are known for fulfilling the command of their father. Engaradanaala adane mukkiyamma. Adu matram illa, my namesake Jamadagnyena Ramena Renuka Janani Swayam Gritta Parashunaranye Pitruvajanakarina. Parashurama, Jamadagni's son, because his father commanded him to do so, cut off the head of his own mother Renuka Devi. அப்படி இருக்க இவ எல்லாரும் மகான்கள் தானேமா. all of them are devasamaihi, they are all godlike people, they are all divine people. Nobody can say they are all lesser people. அதனால when even such extraordinary men Mahatmas, Mahapurushas, Avatar Purushas have also shown that in order to obey the father, anything can be done. I also will have to go to the forest. I am only going to the forest. You will incur the sin of killing me. Sometimes you have to put up with all these things. Other Rama also had to do it. Parashurama also had to kill the mother. Directly kill them. It is a proxy. If you don't fast, I will not kill you. I'm not committing the sin of killing you. Niya choose panni, I will fast. At least. Ana Parashurama's case, it is not like that. He cut your mother's head. He cut it with his axe. Apo, I'm not doing something new. Ramar children, na pudusha unnu pannaliye. What has already been done only I am doing. Nagam dharmam apurvam te pratikulam pravartaye. Yenna. Namala nadachindu for the first time, this is dharma. Abdini, we decide and do something, we do not know whether it is dharma or not. It could very well be adharma. But how do we know what is dharma? Abdina, that path which has been walked by the holy ones, the great ones, Manishina, Abdina cholradadu. The Jnanis and Mahatmas, the Rishis, what path they have walked is the right path. That alone we have also got to follow. If I am using my own intelligence and my own imagination and saying this is dharma, I will do it, then you may what you are saying is right. Ana Nagam dharmam apurvam te pratikulam pravartaye. I am not doing anything that is contrary to the established practice. Pudusha pannaliyema, apurvam pannaliye. Apurvam அப்படினா not done before. இதெல்லாம் precedent இருக்கே. It's all existing precedents are there. Therefore, I cannot do something that Mahatmas have not done. The holy ones, what they have done alone, I also have got to do. By obeying the command of the Father, we will not fall from the path of righteousness. அப்படிங்கிறார் ராமர். पितुर्हि वचनं कुर्वन् कश्चिन्नामहीयते तदेतत् मया कार्यं क्रियते भुवि नान्यथा पितुर्हि वचनं कुर्वन् कश्चिन्नामधीयते न हीयते அப்படிங்கற அவனுக்கு ஒன்றும் தப்பு வராதுமா. he will not fall from the path of dharma by following the commands of the father. ஏன்னா ஒரு பద్ధதி இருக்கே. in fact I am very as usual, nothing new. Did you see the thought for the day today? Sai inspires thought for the day. Yarad paatela? We were talking about mother, father, ella matru deva bhava, etc. We were talking illaya. Today's thought for the day. When Rama went to the forest with Sita. In the thought for the day, Divine Discourse, April 26, 1993. And the Divine Discourse. When Rama went to the forest with Sita, one day he told her, Bhujata, in this world there are no greater adorable deities than one's mother and father. When one has with him his loving mother who cares for him continually and fosters his well-being, without adoring her as divine, how can a man contemplate on a being that is subtle and beyond his daily experience? The divine transcends all human understanding. How can this be recognized? People who cannot comprehend the hearts of parents who are close to them, whose love they experience in daily life, how can they comprehend the absolute which the Upanishads declare is beyond the reach of speech and mind? Hence the injunction, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava. It was my foremost duty to carry out the will of my father. Once again, this is something that has happened far too many times. But once again, every time it happens, we will talk about it. It is Swami showing, yes, I am also listening to the Ramayanam. No matter how many times it happens, we will have to comment about it, because when Swami feels like saying about it, we should also acknowledge Swami saying it. But it is not respect. Many times in our satsangam it has happened, we have said something, the next day the same thing will come as thought for the day. The only thing is Swami is listening to it. And acknowledge, not only merely listening, acknowledging, yes, avunu, abdin solrar Swami. Swami is acknowledging it. What more do we need? Sakshat Rama himself is listening. Not only is listening, he is also saying Ama Nama. Rama is saying Ama. Yes. Adukku mela enna vedum? Piturhi vachanam kurvanna kaschinna mahiyate. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு then he looks at Lakshmana. Lakshmana சொல்றா, Lakshmana, I know the love that you have for me and I am not doubting the valor, your strength, all of that, whatever you said, yes, you are capable of doing, I do not doubt it. ஆனா கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு பாரு, மம மாதுர்ஹ துக்கமதுலம் சுபலக்ஷண அபிப்ராயம் அவிஜ்ஞாய சத்யஸ்ய ச சமஸ்ய ச. அம்மா Kausalya is speaking out of the grief of a mother's heart. When the mother's heart has grief, the grieving heart of the mother knows no reason, no logic, no dharma, no satya. All of that is pushed away by the force of emotion that comes because of her love. You should not fan that. And when Kausalya said it, immediately he said, I can't bear this. Lakshmana started to, with a machine gun, he said all those things. Very calmly Rama is saying, Amma can say that. Should you sing along? Should you be the chorus for it? Amma is saying it, mother is saying it because she knows no better. Out of the force of her feelings, she is saying it. But you cannot have the same excuse. You cannot say, you should know. Did you not study with me at Vasishta's Gurukula? Dharmo hi paramo loke dharme satyam pratishtitam dharma samshritame tacha piturvachanam uttamam. Hey Lakshmana, dharmo hi paramo loke, dharma is supreme in this world. Dharme satyam pratishtitam, and truth is established in dharma. Dharme satyam pratishtitam, satyam, truth is established, finds a strength only through dharma. Dharma is action. If truth is word, dharma is action. Without the action, the word cannot be true. I will do it, if you do not do it, then how can it be true? அப்ப சத்தியம் சத்தியமாகணும் அப்படின்னா, if truth has to be truth அப்படின்னா it has to be accompanied by dharma அப்படிங்கறதுனால தானே சத்யா தர்மா சத்ய தர்ம பராயணா சொல்றோம். Dharma is supreme because even truth is supported by dharma. Dharma samshritame tacha piturvachanam uttamam, and our father's command is certainly supported by dharma. Appa vakyam Appa is not saying out of kama, Appa is saying out of dharma. Rama is able to find out that subtle nuance there. Lakshmana is saying he is driven by kama, Rama is saying he is driven by dharma. The command of our father is in full support, in full agreement of dharma. Samshrutya cha piturvakyam maturva brahmanasya vana kartavyam vrata veera dharmamashritya tishtata. Hey Veera, anybody who is following dharma has got three things they have to keep in mind. A promise made to the father, a promise made to the mother, or the promise that is given to a brahmana. These three things you cannot go against, you cannot break it. Amma ku kudutha vaak, the mother word that you have given to the mother, you cannot break. The word that is given to the father, you cannot break. They have the moment, because they will believe us. See, mother will, no matter how many times we are bad, mother will still believe us now. Chichi, isn't it? No, my son is not like that at all. In front of the eyes also he will do. No, my son, something else must have happened. And I refused. And the mother and the father and a Brahmana and a Baum. Why? Because means the mother will not cheat the son, the child. Mother and father will not cheat the children. Therefore, they expect the children also to not cheat them. Brahmana will not cheat anybody. Ilana is not a Brahmana. The Brahmana is not somebody who is going to cheat somebody. Vanika might, Vaishya might. A merchant might, a tradesman might, a lawyer might. But Brahmana will not. Satyathilagane irukkan, Vedam sollunum illiyo. He cannot tell lies, அதனால he will not cheat. Because you do not cheat anybody, naturally you will expect nobody will cheat you also. அதனால இந்த மூணு பேரும் ரொம்ப trustworthy people. Since they are willing to trust you, you cannot say no to them. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால சொல்ற ராமர் தர்மம் இல்லப்பா. What is dharma அப்படின்னா never break the promise given to the mother, to the father and to a brahmana. அதனால therefore I cannot, doesn't matter what he is saying, why he is saying எல்லாம் தெரியாது. கைகேயி சொன்னா இல்ல வேற யாரோ சொன்னா, கைகேயி is saying or somebody else is saying எல்லாம் I do not know. Father told me, I have got to do it. Therefore you listen to me. You give up all these anaryam thoughts. The thoughts that are not befitting, ignoble thoughts they are, cheap thoughts they are, that you will fight father, that you will throw him into the prison. That's cheap, tappu. Tadetam visrajanaryam kshatra dharma shritam matim. Take recourse to kshatriya dharma. Kshatriyana. Take recourse to your swadharma. Give up all these kind of cheap thoughts. Dharmam ashrayata taikshnam. Mad buddhihi anugamyata. Therefore give up the taikshnam. Give up violence. Don't go into the path of violence. Instead you follow my path. Mad buddhihi anugamyata. Enna paarpa, you be like me. Ramar Arakavan, be like me. Mad buddhim anugamyata. You follow my thought pattern. My school of thought you follow. அது உள்ள ஆவும் சொல்லாதே, சொல்லாதே, பேசாம இரு அப்படின்னு it tells. Lakshmana then turns once again to his mother Kausalya. Kausalya சொல்றா, அம்மா அனுமன்யஸ்வ, please give me permission from here itself. I want to go to the forest. அதனால please give me permission. மம பிராணை ஷாபிதாசி அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு மேல என்ன சொல்ல முடியும்? ஷாபிதாசி மம பிராணைஹி குரு ஸ்வஸ்தயனானி மே. அம்மா, I have decided. இது என்ன சொல்ற? with my life you are sworn அப்படின்னு சொல்ற. என் மேல் ஆணை, என் மேல் சபதம், என் பிராணன் மேல சபதம், நான் போதான் போறேன் காட்டுக்கு. I swear upon my own life that I am going to the forest. Therefore you do what all the prayers that are necessary, you do that. ஸ்வஸ்தியானம் எல்லாம் பண்ணு. After going I will come back. Do not be sad. Use viveka. Subdue the sorrow that is there in your heart. Wait for me. Having fulfilled father's words, I will come back from the forest. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும், for all of us here, மாத்திரம் இல்ல, not only me, tvaya maya cha vaidehya lakshmanena sumitraya. For you, for me, for Lakshmana, for Sumitra, for Vaidehi, for Sita, for all of this, whatever command the father has given alone has to be followed. Yeshat dharma sanatanaha. This is the supreme dharma. This is the eternal dharma. Adanale we have got to follow this dharma. We have got to obey the command of the king. Take all these articles for coronation that you have kept, you take all of these away, subdue the sorrow and give me permission. I am going to the forest. There is no change in this. Now I am not coming here to negotiate. It is non-negotiable. Not open for discussion. It is not open for negotiation or discussion. I am coming to inform you. Only information, not permission. Anumanyasva. அப்படி சொல்லல. அனுமன்யஸ்வ தான் சொல்றேன். Please permit me. Permit me to go. Do not make it hard upon me. எப்படி சொல்ற ராமர் அப்படின்னா, Sudharmyam, naturally Sudharmyam in absolute conformance to dharma. Avyagram அப்படின்னா அப்படியே without being agitated, calm. Burma, I have decided, I am going, please bless me, do all what is necessary, what the puja is necessary to bless me, take away all this, subdue your sorrow, listen to father's words. நம்ம calm ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே அப்படி பார்க்கறா. கௌசல்யா is looking at Rama deeply. She is looking at Rama. Aviklabam cha, without any sorrow in his heart, without being agitated, without moving an inch from dharma, these words that Rama has uttered, Kaushalya listens and looks at him. அப்படி பார்க்கறா. இருந்தாலும் she says, yatevate putra pita tataham guru swadharmena suhrityacha na tava anujanami na maam vihaya sukhad sudukkitam arhasi gantumeva. She looks at him. Dharmama, dharmam தானே சொல்ற, தர்மம் தானே சொல்ற, swadharmena, out of your swadharma, suhruttaya, and out of the love that you have for me, te pita yataiva tata aham, as is your father to you, so I am. We are equal. Adanale, I am not giving you permission, you stay here. You are not going. Okay. You are not going அப்படின்னு உடனே ராமர் சொல்றார். Rama has a very beautiful counter argument to give. Rama says, it is not up to you and me to discuss, because you are only constantly saying, as your father so am I, as your father so am I. You are forgetting that he is king also. He is emperor, he is king. He also happens to be father. Anna, he is king. The crown is coming to me from the king to the prince, not from father to son. As the king is giving the crown, as a king he can withdraw the crown. As a king he can say, get out of here and go to the forest. அதுல வந்து அம்மா அப்பாங்கிறதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. You have absolutely no standing whatsoever in front of the king's command. Father's command, yes. King's command, who can say? இல்லையா? உங்க கம்பெனியில you're working in some company, in an organization, and the manager calls you and says, I'm transferring you to Adelaide வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், இல்ல சிட்னி வச்சுக்கோங்க. சிட்னி வேணாம், கேஸ்லாம் இருக்கு. பெர்த் போவோம். பெர்த் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம், எப்போ முடியும் எல்லாம் ஒன்றா பெர்த் ஏதோ ஒரு சம்வேர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபரிங் வச்சுக்கோங்க, டிம்பக்டு. யூ ஆர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்ட் அப்படின்னா, அப்போ your mother or somebody cannot say, no, I order you, I'm cancelling the transfer order, you're staying here only, I'm your mother அப்படின்னா. பாஸுக்கும் மதரும் கனெக்ஷன் இல்லையேமா. he is boss, you're only mom. ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. we cannot do anything இல்லையா? like that இங்கே தசரத மகாராஜா யாருன்னா சக்கரவர்த்தி, emperor. he has got every right to command anybody in the entire kingdom, because all the people are his subjects. They are subject to him. They are subject to the law and order imposed by him. They have got to listen to the commands that are given by him. அதனால நான் மாத்திரம் மாட்டேன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. nobody can say எங்க அம்மா சொன்னா சொல்ல முடியாது. Yeah, you cannot go to the king and say, sorry, my mother told me to stay back. I know you told me to go, but my mother told me to stay back. How can I go now? அது உங்க அம்மாவை சேர்த்து அனுப்புடா அப்படின்றோம். அப்புறம் what will the king say now? Take over with your mother. Why is he going to be bothered? இல்லையா? அதனால இங்க ராமர் சொல்றார், அம்மா, you are only looking upon him as your husband, my father, and he also happens to be the king. Who can transgress the king's orders? Therefore, since it is the king's order, father will never send me to the forest. அப்பா என்ன அனுப்புவாரா? இப்படி சொல்லிவிட்டீங்க, அப்பா என்ன அனுப்புவாரா? நான் பார்த்துட்டு தானே வந்தேன். I went and saw how Dasharatha Maharaja was lying there like a worm on hot coals, pierced by a needle. Adu father, that was father Dasharatha who was struggling. Ana, father Dasharatha will never give me the command to go to the forest. Father Dasharatha will want me to be there. King Dasharatha is the one who is giving the command. Who can argue against that? Who can transgress the command of the king? Who can disobey the king? அப்படின்னா அம்மா சொல்லி அம்மா வாய் அடைச்சுட்டார். மதர்ஸ் மவுத் இஸ் ஷட். ஆனா லக்ஷ்மணா அப்படின்னு லக்ஷ்மணா இஸ் பிரீதிங் ஹெவிலி. பார்க்கிறார், லக்ஷ்மணனை பார்க்கிறார். இஸ் ஷிஃப்டிங் தி anything more if he says mother will break down. What he is saying is all logical, what he is saying is all correct. Ana amma cannot bear it anymore. She is very fragile. Ramar பார்க்கிறார். அதனால he turns the entire attack onto Lakshmana. அவன் பேசாம ஏதோ சொன்னா அப்புறம் வாய் மூடி விட்டான். இருந்தாலும் he has to now அம்மா அட்டாக் பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா? we cannot do anything to the amma. what to do? யாரையா சொல்லணுமே அப்புறம். yeah, sometimes the fellow will go to work and boss will yell at him. He can't do anything. He comes home and then he yells at his wife or he yells at his children. என்ன பண்ணா, what do they do now? What to do? I have to yell at somebody. I can't yell back at the boss. Therefore, I have to yell at somebody. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால he finds them and he yells at them. ஒரு outlet. We cannot do anything more to Kausalya, she will collapse. அதனால tells Lakshmana, டேய் லக்ஷ்மணா, ஏன்டா நீ தான்டா பண்ற எல்லாத்தையும், இல்ல உன் ஃபால்ட் தான், கொஞ்சம் டைவர்ட் பண்ண அம்மா, கொஞ்சம் give her some time to recover, give her some time, processing time. அதனால he tells Lakshmana, அகம் ஹிதே லக்ஷ்மண நித்யமேவ ஜானாமி பக்திம் ச பராக்கிரமம் ச மம து அபிப்ராயம் அசன்னிரீக்ஷ மாத்ரா சஹாப்யர்தசி மாம் சுதுக்கம். போட்டாரே ஒரு போடு ராமர், பாவம் லக்ஷ்மணனுக்கு. லக்ஷ்மணா, I know your bhakti, I know your valor, but without understanding my intention, you are torturing me and Amma both. Abhyardasi. Abhyardasi, you are harassing us, you are torturing us, you are tormenting us. Matra saga mamapi. Amma oda சேர்ந்து என்ன டார்ச்சர் பண்ற நீ? நீ வாய் மூடி பேசாம இருந்தா நடக்குமா? I know my mother. If I come there and say I'm going to the forest now, Amma will say okay fine, I'll pack you a lunch. I talk, she talk, why middle talk? இல்லையா? I talk, she talk, why you middle talk? இது தமிழ்ல டிரான்ஸ்லேஷன். நீங்க சொல்லிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, நான் பேசுறேன் அவ பேசுறா, நீ நடுவுல ஏன், நீ நடுவுல நீ ஏன் பேசுற அப்படின்னு. बीच बीच में तुम क्यों बोल रहे हो சொல்லுவா, बीच बीच में ரெண்டு தடவை சொல்லுவோம், நடுவுல நீ ஏன் பேசுற. So I talk, he talk, why you middle talk? Because you middle talk, look what has happened now அப்படிங்கற. ஏன் இவன் நோய் ஏதாவது சொன்னதுனால இப்போ ஷவுகோ இது வரைக்கும் கௌசல்யா கொஞ்சம் அழுதுதான் இருந்தா. When Lakshmana said, oh I will do this, now she also started saying, no you can't go, I am commanding you, I will fast அப்படின்னு கொஞ்சம் தைரியம் வந்துருது கௌசல்யாக்கு. So Rama said all the blame for this is this fellow only, he instigated her. Lakshmana, I know your love, I know your valor, but why are you tormenting both of us by saying all of these things without knowing my heart? என்னோட ஹிருதயம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோடா, என் அபிப்பிராயத்தை புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. No understand, asanniriksha, without understanding, without properly evaluating mama abhiprayam, என்னோட இன்டென்ஷனை புரிஞ்சுக்கலையே, you not understood my intention. நான் கேட்டேனா உங்ககிட்ட, did I say, ஐயோ லக்ஷ்மணா, அப்பா is doing like this, what do I do? Did I ask you? Did I ask you? No, we will fight, we will vanquish, we will do this. Yeah. You didn't bother to find out what I really want. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு அழகான டிஸ்கோர்ஸ் கொடுக்கிறார். He gives a very beautiful discourse to Lakshmana. தர்மார்த்த காமா கலுதாத லோகே சமீக்ஷிதா தர்ம பலோதயேஷு தே தத்ர சர்வே सर्वे सुर संशयं मे भार्येव वश्याभिमता सुपुत्रा. धर्म अर्थ and कामा, உலகத்துல there are three things that are there. Dharma, artha and kama are there. Of those, Bhagavan doesn't talk about moksha here. Rama doesn't speak about moksha here, only talks about the first three, dharma, artha and kama. Of those, both kama and artha should follow or obey dharma. அது ரெண்டுமே they should remain obedient, vashya அப்படினு சொல்ற. They remain obedient to dharma. Ideally, if you can enjoy your life and have wealth in accordance to dharma, then do so. But where these three cannot come in accordance, then importance should be given only to dharma. Yasminstu sarve surasal nivishta dharmo yatasyat tadupakramena dvesho bhavatyartha paro hi loke kavatmata kalvapi na prashasta. When all these things, three things cannot be combined and done, then only dharma should be done. You should forget the other two. Wealth should not be accumulated through unrighteous means. Desire should not be indulged in if it is opposed to dharma. where it is in line with dharma, then that wealth can be earned by you, that pleasure can be enjoyed by you, there is no harm in that. Ana, it has to give importance to dharma. Apdi pannitom, then it is not the desire at all. It is not desire at all. Bhagavan says in the Gita, it is me. Appadinu solran. Dharma aviruddha kama. Appadinu solran. Kama, desire that is not opposed to dharma, is me. Appadinu solran. Naan thanda adu. Appadinu naan aashain. I am desire. I am desire in you which is not opposed to dharma. Dharma thoda shetu vanda aashayila tappe kadayadu. Yenna, it is subject to, it is not untrammeled or uncontrolled desire. It is desire that is coming under the control of dharma. Desire is not a problem. It is if it is under control, it is not a problem. What should be on top of it? Dharma should be on top of it. If dharma is on top of the desire, then desire cannot wag its tail freely. It cannot influence you. It cannot make you do anything. Why should we not have desire? Give up desires and why should we not have desires? Because it will make you do wrong things, it will control you. But if you are going to keep dharma as the leader, as the more superior virtue to follow, then automatically the karma has come under control. Adanal solra when all three can be in line, no problem. But if they cannot be, then dharma alone should be given importance, because a person who earns only, he seeks only well, arthapara, dveshya. Arthapara, dveshya. Bhagavan says that the one who is only trying to earn money becomes hateful. People will not like him at all, they will hate him. And as for the kamatmatapi, and the one who is only looking to fulfill desires, na prashasta akalu, he is not acceptable also by the wise ones. அதனால குருஷ்ச ராஜா ச பிதா ச விருத்தஹ क्रोधात् प्रहर्षाद् यदि वापि कामात्. When the guru, the king, the father, whether it is out of anger, whether it is out of joy, or even if it is out of desire, whatever it is they say, you to obey that is our duty. To obey that is our duty. அதனால give up the idea that I will stay back. It is impossible for me to not fulfill the command of father. I will definitely do it. He is fit to command us, for all of us. He is the Lord. He is the King. He is in every position. He has got the right to command us. We have got to follow whatever it is that he has said. Devyascha bharta sagatissa dharmaha. Don't unnecessarily put ideas into Kausalya Amma, because to Amma, Dasharatha Maharaja is the husband, Bharta, Gatihi, Dharmaha. To her, he is the Lord, the refuge, the path, and Dharma. Annala, don't unnecessarily give ideas to her to oppose the king. She did not oppose. It's only when Lakshmana said, let us oppose, appada she got the idea, okay, I command, issue a counter command. She has never done it. Until this moment, Kausalya has never gone against the will of Dasharatha Maharaja. And even now, she only started doing it after Lakshmana prompted her. Because of that, he blamed Lakshmana for this, and he says, Lakshmana, do not give such ideas to Amma. For the sake of a mere kingdom, I will not forsake glory. Yasho hyakam kevala rajya karanan na prishtatah kartumalam mahodayam. Yashas is not the dramas after name and fame. It is not the dramas after cheap name and fame. Yashas it is what comes to us when we follow dharma. When one follows dharma, the acclaim that comes to a person, that is the yashas that is being spoken about here, not the cheap popularity. When we speak about name and fame, that is the cheap popularity. புகழ்ச்சி அப்படிங்கிற பொல்லா வேஷி சொல்றோமே, அது that is cheap popularity, wanting to be popular amongst everybody and get everybody's approbation. அது இல்ல. What Rama is speaking about here is yashas னு சொல்லும் பொழுது what he is meaning by that is it is that which comes when we follow dharma. அப்போ ஒரு nobility வருது இல்லையா? When no matter how hard it is, when we follow our dharma, even our enemy will have to respect us and say, he's a great man. அப்படி சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? அந்த greatness இருக்கே, that is what is the yashas that he is talking about here. It is not name and fame. On the other hand, it is what comes by following dharma. அதனால I will only earn that. I will not stay here at any case. அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். We'll stop here. This conversation will continue. Lakshmana will ask a very valid question to Rama. ஒரு argument நடக்கும். They will have an argument about destiny and effort. And Ramayanathila Valmiki Bhagavan touches upon it briefly. But in Adhyatma Ramayana, Vyasa spends some time giving a very beautiful discourse, Rama or a discourse to Lakshmana, which is filled with the highest Vedantic truth. Adhanala, what we will do is, when we are seeing this particular episode, we will drag it out a little bit, because that is very important. The way all the doubts of Lakshmana are pacified by Rama by teaching him the highest truth. From Adhyatma Ramayana, we will take that bit and we will do it. Tomorrow we will possibly spend some time doing that. Tomorrow onwards, we will spend some time doing that. Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Ram Ram, Anjaneya Swami Ki Jai. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kachit dukkha bhavet. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Sai Ishwararpanamastu.